Trump said India's tariffs are very high due to Russian oil but will be cut. Big news on global trade. US President Donald Trump has said India's tariffs are very high because of Russian oil imports, but added that these tariffs will be reduced soon. Here's the full story. Trump told reporters that since India has significantly reduced its purchase of Russian oil, the US is planning to bring tariffs down at some point. Right now, India faces a 50% tariff on its exports to the US, imposed as a penalty for buying Russian oil earlier this year. These higher tariffs have hit key Indian sectors like textiles, gems and jewelry, and marine exports, making them less competitive compared to countries like Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. While trade teams from both countries have made progress in talks, the US wants India to completely stop Russian oil imports before rolling back the penalty, something Delhi says is unfair and politically driven. India's exports to the US, its largest trading partner, have already fallen 12% to $5.46 billion after the tariffs. A potential tariff cut could boost export-focused stocks and strengthen the rupee in the short term. Sectors to watch: textiles, jewelry, and energy. India is reportedly working on a middle path, possibly by buying more oil from the US to balance trade ties. Keep an eye on this one. It could be a major trigger for Indian exporters and trade-sensitive stocks.